You know, my lunch looks pretty good, but I could really use some cookies. This is much better. A few weeks ago, I was going to the store, and when I pulled in, I noticed in the parking lot there was a shipping container surrounded by a chain link fence. And I kind of assumed that the store was just doing some construction, but as I was walking in, I noticed the little chain link fence area was full of tiny little helicopter landing pads. Turns out they're not landing pads, they're tiny little drone pads because I live in an area that's testing out drone delivery. I didn't think much of it until about a week later I got a flyer in the mail offering me free cookies delivered by drone. So I downloaded an app from a company called Wing that they're the ones trying out drone delivery in my neighborhood. And of course, it worked. I had cookies delivered to my house and a bottle of water in about 10 minutes after I ordered it. And I thought, this is cool, this is fun, this is novel. I'll never use it. Until a week later, we were making dinner and we didn't have any sour cream. And I got on the app and I had sour cream delivered to the house. And then the next night we were making dinner, we ordered something again, and I had that delivered to the house also. And I don't know if it's just because it's a new service and they're trying it out, but they're not charging delivery fees and they're not charging service fees. So I paid literally $2 to have sour cream flown through the air and dropped off in my driveway. It's kind of the coolest service ever. And so today, we're not just gonna talk about the drone delivery service because I already know I love it. Today, we're driving to the store where the drones take off from, we're gonna order something, and we're gonna race the drone home. Because I know there's no way, this thing's quick, there's no way I can order something, drive to the store, buy the same thing, and drive home before the drone gets to me. But I think if I see the drone take off, I can race it back home, and I think I can beat the drone. So here we are at Walmart, and there is the shipping container, and it looks like they're working out in the sun in 100-degree heat, so that can't be too pleasant. But we're gonna get on the app, we're gonna order something, and as soon as I see the drone taking off, and it's not crowded, so I think I'll be able to tell when my drone's taking off, I'm gonna get on the road, and I'm gonna beat it home. Hopefully I'm gonna beat it home. I parked strategically close to the exit, so there's no way the drone's gonna win. All right, so let's place our order. Where I live, Walmart is the only place delivering. So we open up the Wing app, we select Walmart, and then we select some bones for the dogs because they've been nice today. We select a Matchbox car for me because I've been nice today. And then I'm trying to lose a couple pounds, so we'll go ahead and throw some cookie dough in there. We select where it's going to drop the drone off and place our order. As easy as that. Now I just get to sit home and wait for it to be delivered. Oh wait, no. Now I have to race it home and then catch it. We're buckling up because I think it's time to go. I see an employee walking out from the store to the launch facility. As soon as this thing is loaded up and taken off, we're hitting the road. It's time to go!
Hello.
Hey, the drone just took off.
All right.
I'm on my way.
Oh, best of luck.
Oh God, yellow light. Love you.
Love you, bye.
Must drive faster, must not let the stupid drone win. Ha ha ha, left lane, I think so. No, bad trailer. You know, left lane's overrated, middle lane, way to go. I've just been hitting every green light. This is perfect. You know, with the glass roof, you'd think I'd be able to see the drone, but I'm gonna focus on driving. Oh, our first red light, and it turned green! Yes! Go, 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 go. I have a completely pointless race to win. We got our first red light. It's a left turn. This could take a minute. According to Wing, they're a minute away. if we drive fast, we're probably about a minute away too. We had one left turn to make. Well, maybe two. But why is there a red light? I feel like the drone is beating us right now. Finally, we're going again. We're going again. And we're going around this Honda Pilot. This is in no way related to what's happening right now. But if you're at a red light and you're in the right lane and you're not going right on red, you should be executed. Okay, maybe that was a little bit related to what's going on right now. Hey, there's my neighbor. Wave to my neighbor. And they didn't wave back. That's fine. That's fine. One more turn and here we go. Oh, this isn't my very first race with the drone, and I lost. But at least we have cookies. This is truly disappointing. Let's go bake some cookies and then debrief a little bit. So we know the drone is faster than I am, but how did I order make it? We got our cookies. We got 2 dog bones for these 2 dogs. These animals are very big supporters of new and advanced technology. And for our Matchbox car, we got a Audi e-tron. Ironically, the drone delivered us an electric car. So it took about 5 minutes to get from the store to where I live, which is probably about 2-3 miles from the house. And that's a lot faster. I hit one red light, hardly any traffic at all, and the thing kicked my butt. So drone delivery, I think it works. If they start charging crazy delivery fees, I don't know if we'd use it, because the stuff it delivers, it's kind of small and kind of cheap, and I'm not going to pay $10 to have $3 of cookie dough delivered. So what did we establish today? I like drone delivery because I got cookies. The dogs like drone delivery because they got some bones. It's faster than me in a Tesla, and the Tesla is the fastest car that I own. So does drone delivery work? Yes. And for now, it's cheap because they're not charging delivery fees. Will I keep using it? Yeah. If they start charging me $10 to drop off cookies, I probably won't. But then again, when it's dinner time and you're out of sour cream, it might just be handy. So I hope the service takes off. I hope it expands. And I hope I keep getting drone deliveries. And maybe you can get a drone delivery too soon. Or if you can't, maybe your neighbor gets a delivery and you have a net. Until next time, I'm going net shopping. Okay, so we just ordered something else with the delivery service to get a little footage of the drone being dropped off. It dropped this one on the fence, and it was pizza dough for dinner tonight. Oh, and she busted open. Hey, guess what? You only thought the review was over. The review's not over. Hey, Dem.
What?
So you know how we were concerned that we didn't get any good footage of the drone delivery happening? So I ordered what we needed for dinner tonight so we could get some more footage, get another delivery. It dropped it on the fence. And look at our pizza dough.
Oh my god, ew, you can touch it.
I'm gonna open it up.
Aw, this is the first time I'm ever opening a Walmart one. You always open it. Oh my god.
Oh no. Our tomatoes and our pizza dough. Ooh, it's everywhere. So maybe there's a few kinks left to work out with the delivery service. Or just don't order tomatoes and refrigerated pizza crust. It's fine. Until next time, Alexa, stop. Until next time, those are my cookies. They could use a few more minutes.